Maps. Maps for food, cabs, shopping. Maps to find the best pujos during the largest street festival in eastern India. But are these maps for everyone? Maybe not. Presenting the Pujo for All map. A map that allows aged and differently abled people to access pandals during Durga Pujo. The first ramp of the map was built by Greenply. Then a message with #Pujo for All urged Pujo pandals without ramps to follow suit. They just had to click a photo and share it with the name of the Pujo needs a ramp, accompanied by #Pujo for All, and Greenply sent Plywood to build ramps. Pujo for All resulted in 40 ramp-enabled pandals across Kolkata and some in Delhi, a small number in a city with over 10,000 pandals. But enough to spark a social dialogue on wheelchair access during the festival. With this initiative, Greenply has successfully started a movement to make future Pujos more inclusive.
আজকে এক নতুন বিগিনিং, a new beginning বলা যেতে পারে।
আমার বন্ধুরা ঠাকুর দেখতে যায়, আমিও এসেছি ঠাকুর দেখতে।
আমার 10 বছর পর ঠাকুর দেখতে বেরিয়ে মায়ের মুখ দেখে আমার খুব ভালো লেগেছে।
সেই পুরনো স্মৃতি যেটা আমার বাবার সাথে ঘুরে ঘুরে দেখতাম, আজকে সেটা কমপ্লিট হলো।
The campaign resulted in 250,000 social impressions and 7,000 map downloads. It also got featured as the top festive campaign by major media and web publications. Pujo is for everyone. Let's make it more accessible.